Next, we are going to be looking into third question. The third question is, can I access static members from a non-static method? Yes, we can able to access. How? I'm going to be tell you in practical manner. Here I'm going to be create one class under this package. Static to non-static. So inside class, I'm going to be create static method also and a non-static method also. Public void static, non-static method, right? Or else I just give the method name, print message. Here I'm going to be pass two parameter, which is string name 1, string name 2. Here I'm going to be add this two name 3, name 1 plus name 2. Here I'm going to be print this name 3. Add two names name 3. So now we are completed non-static method. Next I'm going to be create static method using static keyword. Get message string country. Here I'm going to be print the string country value syswo get message country. So in this class we are created static method and a non-static method successfully. Next I'm going to be create main method. Here I'm going to be access non-static method. How we can access? For creating instance of the class, right? Here I'm going to be create reference variable for the class. Static to non-static. This is class name. Static access or else access. So this is a reference variable. Static. Using this reference variable, I'm going to be access non-static method. Print message. Here Purani is my best friend. Next I'm going to be access static method. How we can access? Class name dot static method name, right? What is the class name? Static to non-static, put on dot, then the get messages static method will come. Here I'm going to be give India is good country. So now it will be execute this both method, right? I'm going to be execute. Yes, okay, fine. Here what I'm going to do, I'm going to be call this static method to insert non-static method. We can able to access or not, we need to check. What is the static method name? Get message. Yeah, we can able to access. Let's see. India and Russia both are good friends. Okay. So here I'm going to be execute. Now the non-static method can able to access static method, right? The same way I'm going to be call non-static method to insert static method. Let's see whether the static method can able to access or not the non-static method one. What is the non-static method name? Print message. Control space bar. It won't give any suggestion list of method name, but I want to print this two value. Let's see what will happen. Kali and Purani. Okay. So here it will be throwing one error. What is the error? Move on cursor, that error code. Change print message to static, because non-static will able to access static method, but the static method cannot able to access non-static one. So here I'm going to be tell you one important points. Static will access static only. Non-static will access both static also and non-static also. Why means static always belongs to class level. Next we can move to the fourth question. What is the fourth question? Can I access a non-static variable method from a static method in Java? No, we can't able to access non-static method inside the static method. Why? Is there any alternate way for available for accessing non-static method inside static method? Let's see. I'm going to be tell you in practical manner. So before we are looking into how we can access static method inside non-static method. Yes, the non-static method will support static method. The same way I'm going to be call non-static method inside static method. What will happen? What is the non-static method name? Print message. Print message. I'm going to be pass to parameter. It will not imported here. What is the error throwing? Move on cursor here. Change print message to static, because the static will support static only, but non-static will support static and as well as non-static. Why? Static always works belongs to class level. The non-static will works belongs to class and as well as instance of the class. If you want to access non-static method, how you can access? Using the reference variable. How you can access the static method? Using the class name, right? So here not possible for accessing non-static method inside static method. Okay. Is there way for accessing non-static variable to inside static method? Let's see. Here I'm going to be defined non-static variable. So this is non-static variable. I'm going to be call this non-static variable inside static method. Non-static, oh sorry, non-static variable. Directly we can give I. Definitely it will be throw error, because how we can access non-static variable? Using reference variable of class name, right? So here I'm going to be create reference variable for the class name. So what is the class name? Static to non-static and a given test new static class name. So now I successfully create reference variable for the class name. Using this reference, I'm going to be access non-static variable inside static method test.i. That time it will be successfully imported. The same way we can able to access non-static method inside static method. Let's check test dot. What is the non-static method name? Print message. So I just copy and paste here. So it will be imported successfully, but we can see whether successfully execute or not. I just commanded this one variable. First we need to check the method. I'm going to be execute. It won't execute. Throw the error because it won't support Okay, but it will be support accessing the variable. So method is will be execute within the method. This two lines it will bound with the non-static method itself, but variable we are declare the whole class, right? So that reason we can able to access non-static variable using the reference variable of the class name. Now I'm going to be execute. See, it will be execute successfully. It will be print two times because here also I called get message, and here also it will be called get message, right? So this is the one time, this is the one time, so two times it will be execute non-static variable and get message also, right? So this is the answer for this four questions. I tell you clearly, now you are clear concept of static method, right? So this is the last remember points. So already I told you static access, static only, non-static access, both static and non-static. Okay, you can refer this 2 point. That time you can easily answer to all the questions of static. Okay, thank you guys.